Yes, it's an unboxing video and I have to tell you I'm double excited. First excitement because you will never imagine how long I've been keeping this bag inside this, because I will reveal you when I bought it. And I am secondly excited because this item, I do think it's going to be a must. Yes, I just say in the intro, I got this cutie for a long time. I will insert a screenshot because when you are in a Longchamp boutique, when you pay, you will no more have a ticket, the proof of payment, except if you are really asking for it, but they just send you an email and you have the proof of purchase per email. So I will insert this and you will see that I bought this as well as my two latest SLG. I unboxed a little bit and I was keeping all this for a long time because in fact I just bought them when they were released, but I do not want to use them during the summer because yes, I got this since the end of July. So it was not on sale because it's from the new collection. So without further ado, I unbox and we'll talk about it. But maybe some of you, because you see, you see through the dust bag. So let's unbox. And I picked the new Pliage XS from the Longchamp Pliage collection. And guys, if you want to know the name, because on the internet website, whether on the French website or the American website, the name is not written, but this little guy got a name. It's the Pliage Galop in English, I do presume, if I spell it correctly. But yes, and you understand why Galop, because the whole design, the whole print, it's composed of the Longchamp name, and you see there's a horse, the jockey, and the horse is galloping. So guys, okay, I just turn you like this so you can see it. It's really gorgeous. And as you can see, this one is really interesting because there is not the handle. And for those who follow my channel, I have done a review about a bag with the same shape from the Pliage XTRA collection. I do advise you to see this video. The link will be in the description box because and this is important. In the Pliage XTRA line, the bag is a really bigger bag, and for the reason I am talking about this bag in the video, and I explain why I do not recommend this shape for a bigger bag. In a smaller one, it's completely different, and I will show you what it can fit, but this shape is not a problem with this size. That's why I bought it. I do love the print. The nylon is not like the one in the Pliage Green or the Pliage Original. It's the nylon from, let's say, yes, Pliage collection. And they are always a little bit more structured. It's nearly not the same, but it's as structured as my Pliage limited edition dots. But this one is even softer, if you want to know everything. It's really nice to touch, soft. This one is a little bit different. It's not as delicate when you touch it like this one. This one is really like a skin. Another information concerning this bag, the price. Yes, let's start from the beginning. The price in euro is 150 euro and in American dollar is 180. It's not something crazy, because as you can see, you can use it as a clutch, but it comes with a strap. As you can tell, it's inside. I will show you in a few seconds. Look, it goes a teeny weeny nice etiquette. Each bag got a special print. You will never have two same bag. It's not possible. I got this one, but the one I tried in the boutique, which was the sample bag, the Longchamp was written like this. So you have the classic flap. I love the black hardware. Look at this. It's really cute. There's a piece of leather. So you open it like this. I love oh, I should have, okay, 1 second. You see, it's the same as the Pliage Neo, and I appreciate this. So inside I've got the strap, but let's see, you have one main compartment, you have the flap pocket, and it's gorgeous because you have the print again. Okay, this is the Longchamp tag. The strap is a different one. So you have the traditional clasps like this with a horse. This is silver hardware, piece of leather on both sides. It's an adjustable strap with this system. This system enables you to really have, if you want, a really short shoulder way of, I'm going to show you. You see, you can wear it really short on your shoulder, or you can wear it crossbody. And I really like it. And as you can see, since the bag is a little one, this shape is not a problem on your body. You will not have your items falling apart, or when you open your bag, you can have access to all your items. It's not like the Pliage XTRA, which is amazingly bigger, and it's a problem on this bag, but not on this one. And why I unbox it only now? Because I choose the colorway black and white, because this bag comes in 3 colorways. You've got this one, you've got a pink one, and you've got a green one. I saw every color combination, and I was really tempted by the I was really tempted by the green one, which is really gorgeous, but I already have a bunch of green bags, and I wanted to have something, because this color combination, of course, it's not maybe super original, but guys, it goes with every outfit, and I wanted something really casual, but if I want to be well dressed and just have this bag for the night, it's possible. So now let's just have a look at what it can fit. Today I was using this bag, so we are going to make a switch between this one and this one. Of course, not all items will be in this bag, but I just take my essential, and you know, guys, my essential is composed about this Foulonné compact wallet. It's really a must, guys. Since I've got it, I use it a lot. So I put it inside. I got the document of my car. I've got a card holder. So this is the color sky blue, nuage in French. This is my sapphire compass. Up inside. Well, some tissues, because we are now in fall. As you can tell, there's again space here. I can put a pair of sunnies, I can put a lippy, something else. I can put a tiny, because I've got all those pouches, I can put all of them. And of course, my phone fits inside. And let's go. So So yes, I can fit all my essentials and also a tiny notebook. I know because I tried in the boutique, but I do not have it around me. So yes, guys, just for information, this is a traditional Pliage XS and this is the Pliage Galop. Look the difference. This one is more squared and this one is really a trapeze. So, you see? I was really happy to see that this shape is working on a tiny bag. And I have to say, I am really happy to add it to my collection because this way with no handles, it's funny to have, I do think. I will keep you informed about the warranty, but I know Longchamp quality, and as I said, this nylon is so structured. It's really resistant, I know it for sure. Well, that's all for today, guys. Please write me in the comment section if you have already bought this bag, what you're thinking, if you like this, or if you wanted another colorway, not only black, green and pink. Tell me what you're thinking about it. If you have any other question concerning Longchamp, you know you can reach me and ask your question. It's always a pleasure to answer you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care and we keep in touch, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It really matters for me. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Take care.